So you might be in a random situation where for some reason somebody is trying to go ahead and change your TikTok password, but for some reason it's not you. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because you might have some issues within your particular account. If you have a public account, if it's very popular, you might have an email that's also very popular. So somebody might be trying to change your account, change your password. If they have your email, that just means they can put in the request to forget your password, but they won't be able to change it unless they know your email stuff. So I wouldn't worry about that too much. You can always try changing your account info or hiding your email or information. That's one thing you can do. Now, another thing you can do as well is double check that email. So if you ended up getting that mail and it looks something, it's like an email that you got, you might want to look at that email specifically and see if there's any problems within that particular email. If it's not actually from TikTok or it's like a fake account, a scam account, then obviously just ignore it. Now, if somebody is trying to change your password and it says password attempt change, was unapproved, what you're going to have to do there is you might just have to go through and just see if you can change out your account detail information. So try changing out your password, try changing out that other information, make your way over to your TikTok profile account. You can click on the three lines in the top right corner and get into your account information settings that way. So you can tap right into here. You can tap right into the settings and privacy at the bottom. And then you can go through and basically come into here and you want to find the options of changing your password. So click on account, change your password immediately, maybe even verify your account two-factor authentication. And that's going to be another big thing for you to do as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.